Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 best iPad apps for Apple Pencil. Alright, let's begin. First up is Apple Notes. This is a native app with iCloud Sync, so anything you draw on your iPad will also appear on your iMac or iPhone. A simple tap on your iPad's lock screen opens Apple Notes instantly, making it a powerful and accessible option for quick sketches or handwritten notes. Draw any shape, hold it, and it autocorrects into a perfect form. Next, we have Notability. This is one of the best note-taking apps, especially for students. It offers tools like highlighting, annotating, drawing, and even inserting images. A standout feature is its built-in audio recorder, which lets you record lectures while taking notes at the same time. The third app is Procreate, the go-to choice for digital artists. It offers a wide range of brushes including pencil, marker, acrylic, and calligraphy options. Whether you're sketching, painting, or doing professional illustration work, Procreate is an essential app for Apple Pencil users. Next is Pixelmator Photo, a powerful photo editing app. It supports over 600 raw image formats, includes desktop-level color adjustments, and AI tools for instant photo enhancement. The healing tool works perfectly with the Apple Pencil. Just draw over an object you want to remove, and it disappears. Finally, there's Affinity Designer. It's a graphic design powerhouse that rivals desktop apps. With full Apple Pencil support, you can erase, select, and illustrate with precision. So that's basically how you can use the 5 best iPad apps for Apple Pencil. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.